Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can add supports to your 3D print in Cura. So this is pretty simple and easy to do. You can use different support methods. So as you can see, if you go right here, click on support, you can choose support type. So let's say I want support type normal, so it will be straight lines. So if I slice it, you can preview the model, as you can see. If I go to the preview, you will see how the supports will look like. The blue ones are the supports, and this is the adhesion. So the supports you are going to see is only these. So this is the straight lines. You can select the tree type, and again you will need to slice it to see the support type, and you will see the tree one. So you can select touching build plate, and you can play with these settings. So that's pretty much it. That's how you add supports to your 3D print. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys, and see you in the next one. Peace.